What if I told you planning your ideal Instagram Reel strategy isn't as difficult as it seems? As scary as the competition might be, Instagram Reels aren't something you can't manage. So, for all of you who are either starting off new or need some help, here are tips to create probably the easiest Instagram Reel strategy ever. Let's start with the facts first. We know that Instagram Reels have been performing better than picture posts, stories, and even live. Weird, right? Instagram Reels are ideal if you're looking to reach out to people besides your existing followers. What we've learned is that if you're looking to grow, Instagram Reels are extra essential. Other formats like posts, stories, and live are more beneficial if you're trying to build a relationship with your existing followers, nurture them, and create a stronger community. A good strategy starts with good research and ideation. The first place to look is, of course, Instagram itself. Scroll through your Explore page and see what people from similar niches are posting. You'll easily spot trends because whatever kind of songs, sounds, or videos you see over and over are probably a trend. If you want to involve your audience, which by the way, your audience loves, then you can ask them directly in your stories or posts. Another place to look for content ideas is, can you guess it? I'll give you one guess. TikTok, duh! If there's a place to find content, it's TikTok. Check your Discover page and see what competitors are doing. If you're focusing on a specific keyword, check out Answer the Public. It shows you an entire keyword web, and honestly, it's so helpful when you're looking for similar search terms. You can change the region to whatever suits you. Use Twitter tweets to answer in your Instagram Reels, or Quora to find questions people want answers to and then add them to your Reels content strategy. The world of research and ideation is endless. So that's enough for today. Let's move on. Let's talk content. Apart from your own original content, what can you do to keep the content flowing? Filler content. Add B-roll footage with an overlaying text. B-rolls are supplemental or alternative footage, so that means you don't really need to be on screen to convey a message. For example, you can add a clip of the sky and add useful text on it. It's quick, on the go, and your audience likes spontaneity. Another great example of filler content is repurposing content. If you share infographic posts, write blogs, create videos for YouTube or more, you can always convert those to shorter, snackable videos that everyone loves. All you have to do is pick out important points and use your own voice to relay the message, or visually show points with trending sounds in the background. Editing. If you're a mobile editor, then CapCut, InShot, and Adobe Rush are 3 great apps that can help you edit your Reels outside of the Instagram platform. It gives you the freedom to choose from different templates, and you can make changes to the text and other things accordingly. You can also try Descript. It's really easy to use. You can remove sentences from your script, and it adds jump cuts to the video automatically. Cool, right? Alright, you've created content, but how much of it do you really need to run a successful Instagram business? The answer is, do what works for you. If you're new, it's a good idea to start with 2 to 3 posts a week. That way you'll get time to create more content and analyze how your current content is performing. If you're sharing good, valuable content, and you're posting once or twice a week even, and it's working for you, that's great as well. Scheduling. Moving on to the dreaded scheduling. Your views and interactions will be highly reliant on the time you're posting your content. And your scheduling depends entirely on who your target audience is. If they're working class, they'll be busy during the day. If it's kids, they'll probably be sleeping if it's too late in the night. If your audience is in another country, what's the time difference? All of these things matter. Generally though, the ideal time to post on Instagram is between 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. PST. However, just remember that every business is unique. Its niche and target audience and their location determine the best posting time for it. If you want to determine what the best time to post your Reels to Instagram is, according to your posting patterns, try a social media management tool like Content Studio. It'll analyze your content and interactions and recommend the best time to post in a jiffy. Alright, that's it. Implement these steps and see how they work for you. And make changes accordingly for the best Instagram Reels strategy ever! Do you have any tips you'd like to share with us? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar content. See you in the next video.